Hey guys, welcome to this course. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download and install SketchUp step by step. But first, make sure to check if your PC or laptop meets the requirements to install and run this program. In this case, I will consider you to ask a friend or someone who has the knowledge about it. Now let's see how we can download it. The first thing you need to do is search for SketchUp on the internet, and let's click on the first link. Now, this will bring you to the official website of SketchUp. Now, SketchUp is actually a paid software. You have different subscription models here. But don't worry, you can also try SketchUp for free. So let's click here. So this software gives you 30 days trial in which you will have access to all the paid version tools. But after the subscription period, you will have to pay for the software. Let's select this one since we are beginners. So let's click on the Start Trial. From here, you will need to make a Trimble account to start using this program. You can sign in with your Google account, Apple account, or your Microsoft account. In my case, I will use my Google account. So after selecting your account, you can close it. And now you're ready to start your trial. And let's download this program. Now this will take some time. Now after downloading, for me the recent downloaded files always show up here. But if it's not showing here, you can check it on your desktop. So double click on the file. Click on Install. The installation process will take some time. So this is the welcome interface that you will get. Okay, one thing, in this course I have used the SketchUp 2022 version, but we have downloaded the 2023 version, in which the tools may look a little bit different, but that's not a problem, because everything is still in the same place and you will be able to understand the course and learn from it.